What's happening, race family? I hope you're all having an amazing day. I'm going to start off today's video a little different. Last week Saturday I lost a good friend, someone that I've known for over 15 years. He passed away at the age of 37 from a heart attack. It's still crazy hard to believe. He was someone that I respected very much. I grew up watching him and the rest of my brother-in-law's friends racing. Because of all those guys, I have the passion that I have for cars today. He was the type of friend that was always there for all of us, no matter what we needed at any given point. I was just thinking a minute ago, and even the car hoist, the engine hoist that I used to take the motor out of my Supra, just a couple videos back, is something he lent to me, a tool that he let me borrow. We're all gonna miss him deeply. I'm over here by the water now because I grew up watching him racing cars and even racing bikes, but his most recent passion was racing jet skis. And earlier today, his closest group of friends did one last ride along in remembrance of him. And when they came here by the lake right behind my house, I brought out my drone and I caught some really cool drone footage. So I'll share that with you guys. And Laz, till we meet again, brother. Much respect. Look out for all of us. Alright guys, I am going to work on the Supra a little bit today. I'm working on installing the new Flaming River manual rack. I worked on it some last night, but I didn't want to wake my baby and it required some hammering, so I just put it off. I'll continue where I left off last night. I initially thought of doing kind of like a how-to video or do-it-yourself video, but I'm not going to go through all that right now. Instead, I'm just going to show you guys like before and after, and I'm excited to finally have the car back on the road and do an actual review on how it drives and how it feels without the power steering. But I'll show you guys where I am right now. So I just recently took off this tie rod end on this side. That's the part that required some hammering and a lot of noise. So that's done. This other side, I hammered it as well, but I haven't taken it off yet. So I'll be working on removing the whole old system, and this is the brand new Flaming River manual rack I'm going to be installing. I also bought some brand new tie rod ends at Toyota. I picked them up earlier in the week. So let's get to it. All right guys, I'm all done with the install. 35 to 45 minutes to install the manual rack. Another hour to find my GoPro. I was going crazy. Check this out. That clip that you just finished watching, after that I rested the GoPro right here. Pretty stupid location. I went crazy looking for it, all inside the house, in the garage. Had my wife help me look for it till just now that we found it. But nonetheless, I'll show you guys the install. It came together really easy with no engine in the car. You got all the space in the world. It's truly a breeze. Let me see. Here on the left side, it uses the factory mounting hardware. So I just took that off the old one, changed it to this side. It was really smooth to install. Over on the driver's side, it brings this nice little black bracket you see here, new bolts. So I got that in place. The only thing that's a little weird is this, I don't know what this thing is called, a U-bolt or something. And anyhow, this thing here looks like crap, but we'll see if it clears everything good. That's what the kit came with. If not, I can replace it for something else. But everything else is awesome. Really nice fitment, came together super fast. I showed you guys about new tie rod ends. Those went on perfect. So it's looking good. I'm not gonna bother putting the stuff on the scale. I mean, you can see the factory piece on the bottom. It's huge and ugly and bulky, and it truly is really heavy compared to what I just put back on. Along with, now I have no reservoir for the power steering fluid, no power steering pump, no cooler lines that run to the front. So it's really gonna clean up under the engine bay a lot. So as of now, I'm really pumped with the install. Once the car is back on the road and running, I look forward to doing a review and seeing how how smooth the wheel turns. So I'll keep you guys up to date on that. For now, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later, guys.